Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Tonight's video is going to be on something I think a lot of players can relate to, and that is, wow, look at that nice bump right there to give me a little bit better look on that one. And what this is all about is how often have you shot a shot, missed it, and you've thought to yourself, why did I shoot? I wasn't ready to shoot. I've done it so many times. I did it the other night. Kind of bummed me out. I was playing the Ghost and I missed an easy shot and I should not have missed. And I thought, you know what? I got to share this with you guys because I know you guys do this. It's all about self-awareness too, by the way. You have to have self-awareness so that you can make adjustments from what you just noticed as a fault of on a particular shot. And that fault is, in my case, I wasn't mentally ready to shoot the shot. Okay, you have to be fully committed and then make sure that when you're pulling the cue back, you know you're going to make it, you know you're going to make your position, you're going to commit to the execution, and you're going to do it properly. And it's all about controlling your mind to get that done. So I've got a little tricky situation here on this 2-ball. I'm going to try to stun around to the bottom side of the 2. Let's see if I can do this. I got to get by that 5. That's the key. Commit to the shot. Inside with a little bit of a pop. Well, I hit the 5. I did not give it the stun that I needed, but I'm okay. I'm still alive. Yeah, that was just a bad start off right there. I'm still a little out of position. Let's see what I can do. There's always a shot, just got to find it. Which one is the best? Got to get on the 3. I'm out of position. Looks like it's a natural bank to the corner. Maybe not though. I'd rather play inside spin and hopefully get into the 7 or bump above the 7 would be nice. I'm going to try to make this into that side pocket with a lot of spin here. Well, I hit the 7. Ooh. And you know what? I don't have a... I think I could throw it in. I think I can throw it in. But I really don't want to throw it in. I'm going to have to though, because that's my best chance. So I've got to throw it in. I got to get the speed right so I can stay here for the 5, or do I want to go on this side for the 5? See, I'm thinking a lot through this rack, but it's not, and the thing is, I'm not shooting though until I'm ready to shoot. I want to make sure you got to understand this, you guys. It's so important. I've got to be over here with it. Got to be over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and try to cut this in. I think I could just do it. Oh yeah, I can make it without hitting the 7. A little bit of right spin, not much. Don't shoot until you're ready. And I didn't overhit it. I think I got my shot. I do. Okay. So it's going to drift a little towards the 7. Might be better off to go up there with it. I either have this pocket or that. This is another thing too. You're always going to have a couple pockets to go to. If you overhit, it's going to be that pocket. If you underhit, it'll be that pocket. Either one is good. I'm just going to slow roll this in. Don't shoot until you're ready to shoot. That's perfect right there. And actually just a little bit. I'm going to play a little bit of inside spin follow here. Don't shoot until you're ready to shoot. See how that cue ball jumped over that way? It gave me a little bit of room to be able to cheat into this side pocket to get down there for the 9. I'm going to have to stun it a little bit because it's almost too straight. Don't shoot until you're ready to shoot. Line it up, fully commit. And that's how you do it. So that was the theme of the video. The message is, do not shoot until you're mentally ready to shoot. Made the mistake the other night, and I thought about you guys. Let me get down here in the light so you can see me. And when I did that, I was like, Ron, what are you doing? You know better. And I think a lot of players, we get caught up into our stroke mechanics and other thoughts and clutter in our head, and we're not fully committed at the point of pulling the cue back and going through smoothly. And that lack of concentration will cost you a run out. It'll give your opponent another inning, and if they're a decent opponent, they'll run out and you have no chance. So that's the video for tonight. I hope this maybe rings a bell in your mind, and you guys can, keep this thought. Don't shoot until it's time to shoot. Be mentally prepared before you pull the trigger. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.